Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can link your email address on Melbet, so make sure you follow my steps till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in Melbet and already logged in, and now right after that you'll be able to see the interface of Melbet on in the screen, where you can see profile icon at top right corner. Just tap over there and now you can see personal profile option. Once you click over there, you will be redirected to the personal profile section where you can see edit option just down below. Just tap on it and now you can see I have already linked my email address, but you will be able to see the edit option at right side of your email address. Once you click on it, you need to enter your email address and finally click on confirm, and once you verify it, you will be able to link your email address successfully. So basically this is how you can link your email address on Melbet. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.